everyone, Timothy here at ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have the LG air conditioner remote control that does include the wall mount. If yours is lost or perhaps broken, we'll be glad to replace it with a brand new one here from ReplacementRemotes.com, where we have the best prices and selection for remote controls on the internet. The part number on this remote is 6711A20128H. It is the brand new original equipment from LG. We offer a 60-day warranty and a no questions asked guarantee return policy here from ReplacementRemotes.com. If you would have a question or want to make the order by phone, give us a call, 336-924-8787. Our friendly staff will be glad to help you. Or go to our website by clicking the link below this video provided, hit the green Buy It Now button, and we'll ship you this brand new LG air conditioner remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.